Rigaria serikali nigerengete kubeka umukebokorosia chisukuru cy'obubundi bose TVET asekira ensemo y'ebunge ya Kenya unenjiremo yugosira ba Kenya konyora obumanyi obuburache ko bakonya gwetenera eryogo cyaka ebigwanda byabo boka abanyane anigo hago cyakone kya gwikiranirwa ne serikali eyure no kwegena abuna ebigwanda na bibirache gutumika gukinya uchumi yensi ya Kenya unagotumanya Murikito Vincent Monda.
For Kenya to industrialize, we must foster and advance TVET.
Ense yito ya Kenya asenga kientambe niko yabere ke gotwara liyanda ligo chake bigwande binga mono. Serikali yabere ke gosire birengereryo biria bikorolekana biragere Kenya yetenenere erosi ibintu byabo naenda sobonge. Kurende nyuma batarasira ebigwande ebyo netakira abantu banyora maegerio nabo igobo manyi. Ngwetera ekerengeke serikali yaretire gento bakoroka epara y'ebigwanda abwasetagete ebuchi chisukuru cha TVET kerensemo y'ebunge nabo igesegete nambene y'abantu baswasi chisukuru echo elikonyora maegerio. Kwetera maegerio aya abakenya nabo bagwetenera boka gocha mutwe. Dr. Soro mwabisa w'ichisukuru cha TVET kuruorogongo rwa Kisii na Nyamira.
We have courses which are recognized by Kenya National Qualification Framework. And these qualifications zinakuwa found in TVET. They are recognized nationally and internationally. I want to speak to the members of the community that this qualification, kama ni certificate, unatoka certificate, unaenda diploma, then unaenda degree, and then unaenda masters, and then unaenda PhD.
Amaoncholerio agosegeto bonge bw'ebigwanda imeyense naraganirie anene mono asense ya rero umubaro w'abakenya otirire bakagoikoro chichi milioni 50 abwase nambe nene yaburiro chigasichi echo chikolenda amagimabo buno sora agoteba chi certificate cha TVET tali Kenya chimanyiroka.
Watapewa certificate ni wataweza kuandikwa with international companies. Sisi company ya Kenya peke yake, hata with even other international companies. And that is what TVET is doing. The Department of Technical Vocational Education and Training.
Nase serikali ya Uhuru Ruto nerongoteba yare igoro y'ebigwanda asichachenda shirinye babegete. Nyagosiro murayo Kenya Emilio Mwai Kibaki asomwaka w'echiru 2053 nabwate kerenga kiamararo yo mwaka w'echiru 2030. Ekeroto goiko mwaka yo w'echiru 2030 enyoreto bwate chisemina maigerio y'ebirengo bigoro mono.
That in every constituency in Kenya we shall have one TVET institution. And in every ward we shall have one vocational training center in the roadmap for TVET in Kenya, which is very clear. For us to industrialize, lazima tukuwe na watu who have hands-on TVET skills, which is for industry. Why are the government starting this? So that we produce money power. Money power ni watu wa kuproduce.
Goikomo elio bwo mwaka oyo ministry y'ichisemi bakubwatira namone kyombekeri kya Technical and Vocational Education and Training Authority TVET nerengete gukini omubaro gw'abaroki wase chisukuru cha TVET korwa chiribu 500 goika milioni 2 egento yatebire ne para yokoboko kogo cha sobonge bw'ebigwanda imeyense ya Kenya. Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.